Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charlotte from that Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make some pumpkin spice hot chocolate. It's vegan friendly, dairy free, delicious, great for the fall, and it's a recipe that you must try. I cannot wait to show you guys how to make it, so let's get to it. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some plant-based milk. When it comes to milk that is dairy-free and vegan-friendly, my go-to plant-based milk tends to be almond milk because it's really accessible and I just like that milk a lot. But you can use any type of plant-based milk for this recipe. You're also going to need some pumpkin puree, some pumpkin spice mix. Mine is just a combination of cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger and cloves, some cacao powder. Cacao is like the vegan version of cocoa powder, so it doesn't contain any type of dairy. You're also going to need some vanilla extract and a sweetener of your choice. I like to use maple syrup for this recipe, and it's a really good sweetener, but you can use agave, coconut nectar, anything like that if you want to. So I have a large pot on the stove, and the first thing I'm going to do now is to pour in my almond milk. So what I want to do is I just want it to heat up. So I don't want it to boil, I just want it to just heat through, and then I'm going to move on to the next step. So I'm just going to hover my hand over the pot, and yes, it's heated through, and I'm just going to quickly whisk it as well. So now that the milk is heated through, I'm just going to add my pumpkin puree, followed by the cacao powder, the pumpkin spice mix and vanilla. Then I'm just going to use my whisk and I'm going to just mix it in to make sure that the pumpkin puree is completely mixed in, and I'm going to reduce the flame and I'm just going to leave it to simmer away for about, say, 5 minutes on low heat. So this is what the hot chocolate looks like after a few minutes of simmering. So I'm just going to get my whisk now and just give it a quick whisk. And I'm also going to switch off the stove because I don't need it on anymore. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to stir in, using my whisk, the sweetener of my choice. Like I said, I like to use maple syrup for my sweetener, but you can use any type of sweetener for this recipe. So guys, that is how you make pumpkin spice hot chocolate. It's a vegan friendly and dairy free friendly recipe. It's delicious, so easy to make. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you on the other side.